Eric with Radiator Grille Store here with a 718. We're going to be doing the front, left, and right grills and the side intakes. Stay with us. First step, what we're going to do is we're going to be lining all of this with painter's tape here. This one has the beautiful gloss black package. We definitely want to protect that. We're going to be coming in from the top and we're going to be sending the grill towards the back. And then we're going to be utilizing the cable ties to pull them straight up to here, loosely connect around there, and then we'll finish that install. Now that we have the painter's tape on the top and on the bottom, we want to make sure that we have the right grill for the right side. So we want to match up the shape of the grill. So this one has the extreme point kind of going up towards the right. So we know that this grill here is the one with the extreme point kind of going up to the right. We want to make sure our receiving ends are at the bottom, and that will tell you which side is passenger, which side is driver's. I have the bowed area towards us. You can put a more extreme bow in here, and it keeps the grill towards the front in the middle. Once we've fed the grill in from the top, you want to wiggle it a little bit here and get a little bit here. Get your hands inside here and pull it away from the rear condenser here. And you want to work it in a little bit at a time all the way towards this back. And you roll it in to there. And at that point, we will remove this tape and we will start loosely connecting the cable ties in each one of the four corners. Down. Once we have snugged up each one of our four cable ties while rotating the receiving end towards the back to hide it as close to the grill as possible, we'll come in and we'll clip off the tail ends. And there you go, finished product. Round hexagon, powder coated aluminum, Radiator Grille Store for $7.18. Now on to the side intakes. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be taping off right here. We're going to be taping off all this beautiful bodywork. This one does have PPF on there, but we still want to tape it off and protect. And we're going to be getting in between here and here with a flat spatula trim tool kit, flat spatula trim tool, and we're going to be pulling this away from the body while pulling out. We have a couple of clips here, and then there's one really stiff clip up there. So it does require quite a bit of force to pop these out. Now that we have it taped off, we have our spatula tool, which we'll be inserting here and here, creating that separation. And then we're going to be pulling away from the body with some force to get these to release. That took quite a bit of force to get that off. Place the grill in place, get it in there nice and snug. You can also secure this with a cable tie to the trim piece itself and then place it in and then cut off the cable tie if you'd like. Now place it on, has about as much force as taking it off.